guys, this is basically like, I guess you could say it's like part 2 of the video, but this is basically just the eyeshadow look and the lip look. It's more prom inspired because I asked on my Instagram what you guys wanted to see for prom makeup looks, and somebody said silver, so here it is. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I also hope it helps you. And if you choose to wear this eyeshadow look to your prom, please tag me on Instagram at APLOU28. And if you're interested in seeing what I do, just keep watching. Let's get into this makeup look real quick. I'm gonna prime my eyelids because they're not primed right now. I'm gonna take the LA Girl Pro Concealer, my favorite concealer of all times. And I'm going to put some on the back of my hand because I don't really like applying it with this on my eyes. I'm going to take this kind of brush that's like really flat. I'm just going to like flatly apply it on my lid. All over, all over. Do the same thing on this side. And then the tutorial's done, and like, you know, you can go to prom. Like, what do you mean? I'm gonna take this kind of brush. It's like, it's really dense. It's like a dense blender brush, and it's from Real Techniques. And I'm just gonna blend everything out on the top. And then I'm gonna set that all with some powder. So first I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. I'm actually going to go in with Eden first. Eden is just like this really pale salmon color. Tapping off the excess and just going in and blending right into the crease because we're going to be using this as like a transitional color. Okay, so now that that's all nice and blended, I'm gonna go into Parallel. And Parallel is like this brown color. I honestly have not done like a silver eyeshadow look since like 8th grade. Ew. Oh, I'm a senior. God, it's gross. So old. Ugh. Okay, that is nice and blended. It looks pretty, at least from here. Now I'm going to go in with 2 smaller brushes. I really don't know which one is going to be better yet, so that's why I grabbed 2. I'm going to start with the smaller brush, and then if it's too small, I'm going to go into the bigger brush. But we'll see. And now I'm going to go in with Obsidian. I hope I said that. And then I'm going to buff it out with the bigger brush. I think by starting off smaller will definitely help in a look like this, because like, especially since my foundation is already done, like if you start off with a small amount of product first, you'll have a lesser chance of like getting any fallout on your face, because once you get fallout on your face, it's not good, especially if it's black, because like at that point you might as well just take off your makeup. Like anyways, I think I'm going to darken it up just a little bit more. So now I'm going to be going in with nothing from this palette because it doesn't really have like a silver. We're not going to go in with Lucid because it's like a greenish, goldish color. It's not really silver, even though it looks kind of silver. I'm going to use this LA Colors 18 color eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to go in with this color right here. Yeah, I'm going to use a lip defining brush because I really like using these for eyeshadow. Don't ask me why. And I'm going to take this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Naturel setting spray. Spray the brush. Grab the color. I'm really just going to like pat it on in the prettiest way possible. Oh, this is so pretty. Well, now to blend the silver with the black a little more, I'm just going to go back in with this brush and just blend it together. So there's not a very harsh line. Now we're gonna go in with some eyeliner because I know everybody like loves eyeliner. I really don't, but yes. So I'm taking the NYX Professional Makeup Matte Liquid Liner. It's really good, and it really is matte. So now I'm going to highlight under my brow bone and like the inner corner of my eye, and I'm going to hit the bottom lash line with some color. So for the highlight on the inner corner and the brow bone of my eye, I'm going to take the ColourPop I Think I Love You palette in this color right here. I want to say it's rowdy, but it could be my treat. I really don't know how to do it. I'm going to take this brush right here. I'm just going to put it right on the inner corner of my eye. You see that? Blinding. So pretty. So beautiful. I'm going to be taking this really small brush and I'm going to take some Eden and Parallel. And now it's time to pop on some mascara. I'm taking the Wet n Wild Mega Protein Mascara. Green. I'm taking these Salon Perfect lashes in 614s. They're like my favorite lashes. They are pretty long, so that was your warning. And then I'm going to pop these on and I'll be right back. Okay, now that the lashes are on, we're going to move on to the lip. And now I'm going to show you a pink lip with this look. Not like hot pink, like nude pink. Don't act crazy. Now I'm just going to line my lips. I cannot do a nude pink lip without lip gloss because that's just who I am as a person, so gotta get some lip gloss. And I'm just gonna take the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, Universal Gloss Bomb. God. I hope you enjoyed my first prom makeup tutorial. This will be the first of many, considering a lot of people had a lot of ideas, but this is just the silver one for you guys. So yeah, let me know if you're gonna do this look for your prom day, because I'm not, only because I'm just not a fan of like silver. Well, that's a lie. I like silver. I just don't like silver eyeshadow, but I'm not even gonna lie, this look is mad cute. Like, I should do it more often, but comment down below if you want to see different prom makeup tutorials or just any different makeup look or any challenges. I don't know how I'm gonna do the challenges, but you can comment them down below and I'll see what I can do. So yeah, I'm gonna say what all the YouTubers say. Comment, like, subscribe, and stay happy.